Yo, what is up, guys? This is the Resale King, and today I want to talk about something that is super hyped up and trending right now, cryptocurrencies. And I want to show you how you can make money right now with them. So, a lot of people are buying Bitcoin, they're buying all of these massive sized cryptocurrencies. And one thing I want to talk more about is these altcurrencies. So, pretty much these very small currencies that are trying to grow and make a name for themselves. And they all have a meaning and purpose. And one coin that I found to be very interesting, and if you go to my other channel, actually I did a video previously before its boom about Einsteinium, EMC2. I love it. Okay, so I actually made a video on my other channel before the boom actually happened, and I said, why you should be buying in right here and all that stuff. I don't know if they're selling them for me right now, but I just want to show you guys, that you can make a lot of money with cryptocurrencies. The site I use to trade is called Bittrex, okay? It has given me, it's a good platform for day traders in the cryptocurrency market, okay? It really doesn't, the fees aren't horrible. They do charge something for every trade you make, but it's really not bad. And I've figured out that as long as I could pull in 1.5% on a trade, I tend to be able to profit from it, okay? I'm not exactly sure what their fees are, but it's obviously less than that. So if I don't make at least 1 or 1.5%, I just sell quickly and I get out. That is always my goal, to at least pull in that much. Obviously, I like these kind of trades because if you guys check out down here, I bought in at 10,865. There's a lot of decimals and stuff like that. I kind of just go by the end numbers. So I got in at 10,865. It is now at 19,100 right now. Okay, it's moving around a lot, and but like I said, I did predict this. I knew this was coming. This company is, or not company, this coin is based on scientific research. Okay, and what they do is they're funding these people creating apps, creating all this stuff, and my dog's itching herself in the background. But that's what they're doing, and I actually analyzed that on my other channel, and I went over and I'm like, this is a very strong coin. They're very undervalued, and I could see this boom happening. And I got in, literally when they were just starting to go up. I got in right around this area. No, I'm lying to you. I got in right around this area, 10,865. So I got in like right here. As soon as that momentum started heading upward, I got in. And that's normally how I trade, guys. What I look for is uptrending stocks. I'm a momentum trader, a momentum day trader. And what I normally do is I'll buy in right here and I'll sell right here. You know what I mean? I'll make a nice 10, 20%, maybe a lot of times less than that, maybe 5% on a trade, and then I get out. However, I felt pretty confident in Einsteinium, so I stayed in it. And I'm going to probably end up staying in it even longer. Okay, what I'm expecting in the future for Einsteinium, like I predicted yesterday, I was dead on. So let's see if I can do it again today. So what I'm expecting here is if the charts remain how they are. So we had a nice boom back on November 26th, and then it kind of faded back down to about half of its initial momentum, and then it made its way back up. Okay, and even higher than the last time, and then it kind of went back down about 5 to 10%. And then we had a huge rocket explosion. So one thing I noticed about this site, Bittrex, and cryptocurrencies in general, whenever a coin breaks above 40 to 50% on the day, within 24 hours, if it goes up 30, 40, 50% in a day, normally the next step is 90 or 100%. And the reason why I say that is because like most of the coins that hit 40 or 50% in a day end up going up to 100%. So that's one thing we have to understand. So if we go back to Bittrex, we look at the coin I'm in. Earlier, whenever I got in it, it was not even a top trending coin. Now, it's the second biggest percent change on the day. So that's amazing, okay? That's a good opportunity. Obviously, I was able to make 50 or 60% of that. I'm going to be able to double my money overnight on a secure investment. There's not too many secure investments you're going to get in the cryptocurrency market, but you have to spot things early and realize what are the good coins and what are the bad coins. I really analyzed Einsteinium, and I found that they are building a great foundation to structure to be a great coin in the future. Okay, this could be a great long-term investment. We could be looking at a coin that might one day reach the size of Litecoin or even higher. You know what I mean? I mean, right now we're valued at $2.44. I got in when it was like $1.25. And we're looking at a coin that could end up reaching $100, $200, $300 one day. And I'm dead serious about that, because what they're offering is not just a very transparent format and transparent creation process. They're offering everything. Anything you want to know about them is out there. And if you go on their site, they break down the projects they're working on. They break down everything, everyone who's working for them, and they have all their faces and their names on that. That's rare in this industry, because you're having a lot of people that are sketchy coins that were created just to kind of pump and dumps. I don't believe this is a pump and dump. I believe this is a well-structured coin. Now, that being said, the hype could die down, and I'm okay with that. Okay, obviously we've had incredible success lately. As you can see, I mean, it's been just uptrending. But that being said, I can see it fading off down into the 1,500 or 15,000, 14,000 range. Okay, but over time, if we get into like late December, January, I mean, we could be reaching 30,000 and above. Okay, which would be almost, I mean, if it keeps going up, God, who knows? You know what I mean? If it can hold this ground, if it can break 20,000 and hold, I mean, that's going to be the biggest indicator of its future success. Because if it can get to that, I don't see it dying down in the next couple of days. Now, what it's proven over time, that it's going to end up hitting probably a point in the next probably 12 to 18 hours to where it might hit like 23, 24,000, and then it's going to balance off and probably break down into the 20,000s again, and or lower than 20,000 again. Okay, and I can really see that happening. Now, obviously, this chart's not exactly replicating what I'm trying to do, because we're heading into 2018. But in the next 24 hours, this coin is probably going to hit somewhere in the 24, 23,000 range, and then it's going to die back down into the 19 or 20,000 range. So that is my prediction for Einsteinium. I really believe this is a long-term trade right here. However, that being said, even though I believe in it that much, I'm going to day trade it, okay? I'm going to still play games with it, because I've successfully done that. Look, I bought in at 9,329, okay? Sold 9,740. I made myself, I don't know, like 4 or 5% right there. Okay, then I bought in again at 10,800. I sold at 11,090. That's another 3% trade, 2.5%, 3% trade right there. Okay, now I bought in at 10,865, and we are up to 19,085. So that goes to show that there is ways to make money. You want to buy in on the dips, and you want to sell on the highs. Okay, and that's what I've been able to do with this one, and that is the biggest way to make money with cryptocurrencies. This is a great opportunity to learn a lot about investing and learn a lot about day trading. Okay, this industry really allows for a lot of trends right now. Okay, a lot of coins are dipping and then they're rising. They're dipping and then they're rising. They're dipping and then they're rising. All you have to do is buy in on the dips and sell on the highs. Buy in on the dips, sell on the highs. And don't even worry about taking home profits like this. This is unusual. Normally I get a couple percent, and that's totally fine. That's the great thing about investing. You don't need to take home a huge profit, because what comes along with these big gains are also what can possibly be big losses. However, if you feel confident enough and you've done your research, then you're not just betting on momentum and speculation, then a stock like, or not a stock, you can tell I was in the stock market a lot, then a coin like this is a great opportunity to make a lot of money. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're interested in making money in any way, because that's all I'm about, this channel is for you. Resale King, subscribe, turn on the notification, and anytime I make a prediction for the next coin or the next stock, you will be notified instantly so you can buy in too. Okay? Obviously, there's a lot of money to be made. Just listen to what I say. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.